What's up? My name is Paige. Welcome to What New Thing. I have a lot of different interests and hobbies and whatnot, and I wanted to just make a bunch of videos showcasing some of those fun, or not so fun, I guess, hobbies depending on how you look at it. So for the first video on the channel, I am going to do an unboxing of some keycaps that I just got, because I have decided that I want to eventually build a keyboard. But for now, I have an orb weaver from Razer. It's a mechanical hand keyboard, basically. I have a Razer Chroma, which is just a regular, it has a 10 key on it. It's just a regular keyboard, which I initially thought was a mechanical keyboard, and then I looked a little bit closer. It's the first one that I've owned. So look closer and it's like, no, you actually can't. These are proprietary switches. You can't just switch the keycaps all willy-nilly. But I can on this, because this is a mechanical keyboard. And so I am going to do a switch on to some of the keycaps I just got. They are Cherry MX clones, so I can just take these and pop them on, theoretically. Have I ever done this before? No. Am I still going to do it? Absolutely. From Heroes Art off of Instagram, and I'm not gonna lie, I initially thought when I ordered these that, you know, this might be a scam, because right afterwards I then found the same keycaps posted by a different Instagram page, and I was like, oh no, this might be a problem. Luckily it wasn't. And we have keycaps. There is their little, let's see if this will focus, their thank you, along with their Instagram information. Let's see what we get here. Figure out what this is momentarily. Packaging. Oh, here we go. Golden Star Bomb is 100% made from traditional ingredients who wish you and your family a warm holiday. From Vietnam with love. I think I might actually have some of this stuff sitting around. Oh yeah, I totally have this stuff. I have a whole kit of this. I have like 30 of them. Super neat little bombs. Here is the packaging that they come in. Ta-da! Got two little koi fish. These are epoxy resin keycaps. Oh, they're so cute. I love them. I'm in a pretty humid room right now. This is my reptile room, so some of the epoxy is clouding up. But they're so cute. Now the next step is for me to pop them onto the orb weaver and hope for the best. But it looks like I have to procure a keycap puller, so that'll be a video for a different time. As far as information on the actual keycaps, like I said, I ordered them online from Heroes Art. I found them on Instagram a while ago, and I've been following them for a while, watching them make the epoxy stuff. They're based in Vietnam. These didn't take too long to get here. I think I ordered them around the end of November, beginning of December, and they just got here today, which is the beginning of January. So not too bad for something that's handmade. They're an OEM profile as far as the keys are concerned, and that has to do with like the height and general profile of the actual keycaps. And like I said, they are, they're compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones, which the Orb Weaver is a clone. Thinking what I'm gonna do with them is pop them into either corner of the clicky keyboard and go from there. We'll see if I end up wanting to order 86 more. I eventually want to build a custom keyboard, because I think that'd be kind of fun. And I don't mean build as in like go through and solder every individual switch in, because I am not that talented. More like assemble. So we'll get there. Maybe one day I'll build a computer, but that's also a ways down the line. I will probably do another video when I actually get a keycap puller. Part of me thought that they came with one for some reason, but I've been meaning to get some anyway. So I will tune back in when I have that. Again, welcome to my new channel for What New Thing. Basically, what new thing am I doing at this random point in time? Yeah, catch you next time.